Hello. I wanted to give you guys, I realized that I did my first impressions of the Elizabeth Arden Ceramide, Advanced Ceramide for face for day, but I never came back to tell you my final thoughts. So I thought real quick I would just go through and tell you. See how it's this little thing, this little like a vitamin E capsule. I I I think there's some pros and cons to that. For me, it's a little cumbersome because I can't rip it off with my nail. I kind of, you have to have dedicated scissors, basically. And then for me, this stuff was so fantastic, though. I really, really loved it. I only had to use about a half a capsule. So mine actually lasted me longer than a month, which was the month's. Look at that thick goo. I'm not kidding. It's fantastic. I mean, this serum, I found it to be so. See, I've gotten to where my face is so dry now that I'm sort of. It's this other level where you put your moisturizer on, you put your stuff on, and then if it's not enough in like an hour or two, I am like I'm like running for some moisture, and I've got to keep reapplying all day. And in this case, that's in the winter time, which it is right now. But this ceramide, I really love the way it felt on my face. I used it every day for about, like I said, a month and not quite a half. I can't say for sure whether or not I could vouch for any long-term benefit because I only used it for a month and a half. But I did feel that if you are a person who's really looking for something to boost the moisture in your face, a good serum, I think this is really great stuff. And I think, I'm not really a person who spends, well, I kind of am now because of the channel, but I'm trying a lot of different stuff. But if I were just looking for one serum that I thought was really emollient, and your skin is like mine, it's gotten very dry, more dry in the last like 6 months. When I did this old video that I'm showing you now, my skin was ever so slightly less dry. But guess what? All of a sudden, it got a bit drier. So, I want to go over, let's see, how much more time? A few more minutes here. Me slathering it on my face. And I am telling you, I'm enjoying it. I'm amazed at this stuff. But the pros and the cons are, let me start with the cons, okay? The capsule is too cumbersome, and you have to use scissors, and then it sits around for a day, and, there's no place to put it. You're going to put it in your medicine cabinet. It's kind of gross. But if you're prepared for that, it doesn't matter. If you want to use it on your neck, on your hands, you can use the whole thing. The bottle is $33. Not bad. Okay. Another con. I couldn't tell for sure if it made a difference in a month and a half. Like I said, I don't remember for sure. I'm sorry, but I think it said that it did offer some long-term benefits, but I couldn't really say because I didn't use it that long-term. Okay, another one. Takes a few minutes before you can apply anything else. And that's true. If you're looking to put here I got my face is clean. Here's my serum. Here's my moisturizer. It's like, hold up, because you're going to need a second for your moisturizer, for the serum to go in, and then your moisturizer to go on top. So, in fact, I think a couple times I forgot to put moisturizer on. I was waiting for the serum to dry. Or not dry, but okay. And then The other one, oh, this is not a con. What's, I won't repurchase it for now because I'm trying a lot of other things right now. But I'm really glad to know it's there because not all serums are that impressive and moisturizing to the skin. So now the pros, well, I don't feel at $33 it's not really a bad price for what I think it offers. It's pretty amazing. I like that it's measured. That seems helpful if you're not sure how much you're supposed to be using. It's hard to overuse it. I love the emollients of it. I think it's for you if you have dry skin. And it's been around a while now, this product. So, you know, I think it's tried and tested. And I want to tell you that I would buy it on a regular basis if budget allowed, because my skin's very dry. If yours is too, you'll really love it. So I hope that you enjoyed this little recap and my final thoughts on the Elizabeth Arden Ceramide Day for Face. And I really want to hammer home, I love this stuff. I absolutely advanced ceramide capsules, daily youth restoring serum. I absolutely love this stuff. The only thing I can't say for sure is did it make a long-term, can it make a long-term difference in the resurfacing or whatever, because I didn't use it that long. So I am now going to be trying other serums coming up, and I'm going to be probably doing it the same way as I did this one. I'm going to be doing some Lancome Regenerist I forget, but yeah, so I would recommend this, absolutely. So thanks again for watching, and I am looking forward to doing more of these on-camera videos, but for right now I've just got some issues that I'm dealing with, and I'm really having fun with the channel, and it's been actually about a year now since I started this channel, even though I had the channel a little longer, but I stopped it and then I started it again. But thanks for watching. Bye.